Welcome to today's video on maximizing your success by planning your day effectively. Start your morning by listing out your tasks and identifying the most important ones. Set specific, achievable goals to keep yourself focused and motivated throughout the day. Allocate time for each task, allowing some buffer for unexpected interruptions or delays. Consider using a planner or digital tools to help you organize your schedule and track your progress. Prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance to ensure you're tackling the right things first. Break down larger tasks into smaller steps to make them more manageable and less overwhelming. Include time for breaks and self-care activities to maintain your energy and avoid burnout. Avoid multitasking, as it can reduce your productivity and lead to errors in your work. Review your day before bed to reflect on what you accomplished and plan for the next day. By following these steps, you can enhance your productivity and achieve your goals more effectively. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on successful living.